Well, the one we're going to, I got a feeling it's going to be a fucking train wreck. Because we installed it. I sold this job back in 2018. We installed it in 18, and we haven't been out since. So I got a feeling this thing is going to be dirty. Let's put it that way. So we'll see if I can get some video on this, but I got a feeling it's going to be, they called for a furnace check, startup, fall check. But I got a feeling they're having problems with it. It's an infinity system. So I guarantee the filter's dirty and humidifier pads all caked up with calcium deposits. And I don't even think I want to look at the condenser. It's got a 5-stage condenser on it. But I got a feeling it's packed full of crap because the last time I was here, they had just bought the house. And I told them, they got to do the maintenance. I don't think they ever did. So we'll see what happens. Well, it's not as terrible as I thought. He has been changing filters. Just got a humidifier pad we got to change. And that's quite dirty there. Stupid filtrates. But he had another one, so we just put it in. It was brand new. Other than that, it doesn't look terrible. Not as bad as I thought. So I'm gonna run through, get my trap out, clean that. Flame sensor, check all my amp draws. I'll get this humidifier pad put in. Doesn't want to go in. There we go, snap. Right. Fire damper open. All the humidity is controlled from upstairs. Like I said, we got the filter in. Let's peek down here. Flush that. Oh yeah, I'm gonna get something up. Make sure to flush that drain. Just get your hand on the wires. Alright, let me get the flame sensor out. Well, this gentleman's wife was saying she smelled some kind of gas. Well, I'm looking at the water heater. Never got glued right. I'll just slather it on up. It's not exactly square neither. Not exactly square. Jeez, oh Pete. Maybe I'll have to redo the joint, I don't know. No. Should be good. The wiggling is from down here. Good. Alright. Get the flame sensor clean. We're going to flush the trap. And then we'll go from there. That's the stuff that came out of the drain. Make sure you flush your condensate traps while your condensate drain trap. So we put a little flushing up there. Most of that came from the humidifier, I'm assuming. Well, I guess that was better than I thought it was going to be, because I thought it was going to be absolutely trashed. But he's been keeping up on the filters. It's actually the boss's buddy. And usually every time, you know, it's the boss's buddy, they kind of forget about that stuff. But luckily, he's been changing his filters. He changed his humidifier pad once a year. He just had us over just to kind of give it the professional once over, you know, so he doesn't miss, you know, something that could be prevented. Like, and also his wife was having that smell. We were having that smell, didn't know what it was from, and then I started looking at the water heater, and you know, that's when I found that vent disconnected. So we just glued it back, stuck, and it's good to go. So we are on to the next one. I don't know what that's going to be. I do have a boiler to wire up today. I got a Navi and NHB. We just did, was it yesterday? We just finished up NCB yesterday, NCBH, the newer NCBs. I was trying to get video on that, but I just couldn't. I had a lot of stuff going on. So I just couldn't get any video on it. But that's it for this one. Just simple maintenance call, and we will see you on the next one.